G'day everyone, Graham here. Well, by now you've probably heard that Cadbury has now put Vegemite in their chocolate. Yummo. Now I love Vegemite and I love chocolate, but will I like this? Now some people are saying it's nice and some people are saying, oh, it's horrible, and they're gagging on it. Huh, a gag reflex, whatever that is. Anyway, so I'm going to try it. Now it's only on short time, so it's only here for a few weeks, so I'm going to try it. Look at that. Oh, yum. I really do like Vegemite, and the thing is, oh, look, that's all gooey. Look at that. Vegemite yumminess. Now it's got a caramel centre and they've got Vegemite inside it too. So, will it taste nice? Soon find out. It's chocolatey. Tastes like caramel. Yum! And it's got Vegemite out. Wow. That is actually quite nice. Yum! Now, I love Vegemite. I put it thick on my toast, a lot of butter, but I'll tell you what, this is really nice. Now, some people have said, it's horrible, and they go, yeah, but wow, this is surprisingly nice. I've seen lots of videos of people eating this and they hate it. I don't know why. Yum. Look at that. Vegemite. So, with Vegemite out, does that mean it's healthier for you? Because Vegemite's got B vitamins. Yum, 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 yum. So my friends, I suggest, if you're in Australia, buy some of Cadbury's chocolate with Vegemite in it and try it for yourself. Wow. Huh. It's actually salty and savoury, just like Vegemite. Wow. I was expecting to taste horrible. There you go, my friends. Try Cadbury's chocolate with Vegemite. It is great. Anyway, my friends, take care. Stay safe. Bye for now. Yum. Good thing I bought 2 packs, eh? Don't tell anyone. Bye for now.
Rate me, comment me, love me and subscribe. Subscribe to Graham and